Charles again. This is a 2024 Dodge Turbo Diesel 2500 heavy duty. I am cleaning for a client today. Pretty dirty, not super bad, but dirty. Back and do an after out in the sun. You can kind of get a good idea of what she looks like afterwards. Here is the after video. I hope if you guys enjoyed this before and after video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you're in the Florence or Lake City, South Carolina or Darlington areas and you'd like to have your vehicle detailed, please leave me a message within the comment box and I can get in touch with you, or I will have my contact information in the description of the video. I look forward to hearing from you, and you guys have another good day.